Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to quickly replace one word with another throughout your whole document. So first, using keyboard command Ctrl+F, hold these both buttons at a time. Now you get a dialog box here. Simply type your word which you want to change. Now go to find in option, click on main document. You can see pollution keyword lots of time has been used. Now click on replace tab. Then simply type the word which you want to replace. If you click on replace, it just only change in next word. If you click on replace all tab, it will be replaced in whole document. You can see now the word will be replaced with prevent. You can also find this box on the right side. Click on replace or find option. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Keep learning. Have a nice day.